So, Patasha mo ba yung direct? Para na talaga maging baboy na baboy ang dating.
Yes, kasi total metaphor naman namin yung baboy. So I have to explore lahat ng possibilities na pwede kong magamit yung baboy. From yung baboy na pinapaliguan, yung baboy na sinap in meat, tapos hanggang doon sa pagkatay ng baboy, hanggang doon sa kinatay ng baboy. So I have to make use, explore yung possibilities kung saan ko ba magagamit yung baboy. Total, yun ang main metaphor ng aming pelikula.
Okay, sige. Thank you, Direk. And good luck po sa October 1.
Yeah, thank you. And syempre, ito ang tatanungin natin ng mga artista ng Isla Babuyan after first niyo ba napanood and after mapanood nyo, anong naramdaman nyo? Kasi ako, very na-proud ako na ako yung publicity and promotion sa, di ba? Maganda yung movie in fairness. So, ako naisip ko kanina si Leo na kung nasaan man si Leo Dominguez, I'm sure he's very, very proud of the movie. Maganda, di ba? So, unahin natin dito sa dulo.
Hello po, good evening. Ayan. Actually, sobrang na-excite ako. First time kong mapanood and congratulations sa lahat ng actors and actresses kasi sobrang galing talaga. Ayun po. Thank you, sana supportahan niyo natin.
John, may tatanong si...
Hindi, pagsalitan muna natin sila. Para sigurado nagsalita lahat, no?
So, ito na yung unang time na
The Rosa.
Ito ang unang time ko na nood ng pelikula na ito. So, it really exceeded my expectation. Above and beyond, I'm so happy to have seen it. Thank you for coming to watch. Please support our movie. Thank you.
Congratulations to everyone, Direk, Geraldine, Jameson. Sa lahat ng bumubuo, kay Miss Gigi, syempre ito, we did this for Leo eh. Si Leo naman yung talagang lot, I have a nice script, ganyan. And buong tiwala ko kay Leo. And kitang-kita naman sa storytelling that eto na yun. So, as always, tama si Leo. So, yun lang. I hope we just make him proud wherever he is. Thank you.
Yun po, I hope you all enjoyed watching the film like we did. I can see, it was nice to see na tumatawa din kayo along with us bawat scene. And gusto ko lang masabi na ang galing talaga di pa ako mag-jump scare. So, congratulations to all of us.
Hi, I'm Geraldine Jennings. I played Anastasia. Thank you guys all so much for coming. It's my first movie, so I'm so excited. And I think everybody else enjoyed. You guys enjoy it? Yes? Yeah, I think you guys all love the scenes with James and Dave and Paolo when they were all shirtless. But thank you so much, everyone. Everyone did a really great job. And this talaga was for Tito Leo Dominguez, so I'm so grateful that he trusted me. My first project is a lead role, so thank you so much. Thank you. Derek Abdel as well, of course.
Yes, unang beses ko napanood doon, may mga nakita akong eksena nung dubbing process namin. May mga dinap kami eksena doon kasi medyo mahina talaga yung audio. Pero, alam mo na ito, na-excite ako na natuwa ako kasi hindi ko nabasa yung buong script kasi yung mga binigay lang talaga sa akin na eksena sa script is yung mga part namin na yung mga eksena ko with, lahat ng mga eksena ko, yun na yung binigay sa akin. So, seeing the whole film, with scoring, with the great cinematography and great actors alongside me, nakaka-proud to be part of a project like this. Kasi syempre, ang dami mong matututunan bilang kami, lalo kami bilang mga bago sa industriya. Kailangan talaga namin mapalilihan ng mga taong talented talaga sa industriya para mas matuto kami. And yun naman yung takeaway namin dito. Ang dami namin natutunan bilang artista. And maraming salamat sa mga naging reactions nyo kanina, sa mga tawa nyo, sa mga pili nyo. Ayun, maraming salamat po.
Yan, Steve.
Once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga pumunta at sa oras na binigay nyo. Actually, sobrang honored po ako na makasama dito.
First time po namin actually panoorin yung lahat kanina. Sobrang daming mga surprise factor, no? Kaya tsaka yun lang, nakakatuwa lang. And then working with my co-actors, napakagaling, napaka-inspiring. Kaya yun po, sana supportan niyo po yung pelikula at maraming salamat po.
Yeah, thank you, Dave. Ito, magtatanong sa atin na editor of Philippine Star, Miss Natalie Tumada.
Okay, my question is for Caroline. How was it acting alongside like Miss Lotta De Leon? Talagang did you give some advice or other actors did offered some advice on how to better portray your roles?
Yeah, honestly, it was such an honor to work with Miss Lotta De Leon, veteran actress, of course. And yeah, she did give me a lot of advice. I think especially with the scenes where I was like, umiyak. She really told me just to feel the scene, pretend I'm actually the character. So yes, and she's so wonderful, a really great person, genuine. So I felt at ease working with her, even though she's really experienced. So yeah, thank you for the question, po. Salamat.
And also acting with, men. Yeah. Kasi medyo sensitive din yung ibang scenes eh. Like, how did you prepare for that?
How to prepare? I mean, I think like, of course, in the beginning, like working with like Jameson and stuff, I was a bit nervous for the first day because I didn't know them as well. But I think we met up before the movie. We all had dinner somewhere in QC, so I really got to know him and like it was comfortable naman. So yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Natalie. And Miss Salve asks.
Time.
Hello. Okay, Miss Lotta. Medyo sexy movie. Paano mo na-encourage? Paano ka na-encourage sa kulit aside from Leo? Me? Ano ko na siya? Sorry. Yeah. Especially dun sa mga eksena mo with Jameson.
How was I convinced? Well, actually, it's the artistic, like, it's for the art, yeah, for the elements, so it's something we had to do. But actually, my character, it was quite it's an innocent, sweet kiss, she's a young girl, so it's not, like, sexy, but very cute love, like your first boyfriend sort of love. Yeah, puppy love, so, yeah.
So what about, like, workshop?
Practice kiss. Yeah, I did workshops with Miss Jo Matassa, lovely woman. I also did some in LA beforehand. So I did prepare for this naman, yeah. But I have a lot to improve on, still to work on, but I'm very happy with my first performance. So, thank you.
What's the reaction of your mom?
My mom? I know, well at first my mom she was really shocked, she was really surprised, but I think overall she's really happy with it. But yeah, she loved the scene. I think everyone had a jump scare with Paolo's scene, where he was, the butt exposure, but it was a good one, and I think everyone laughed, so I think, we were a bit surprised with that one, but it was good. Yeah, it was for the art, so, yeah. People after your ass, yeah.
Yun, yung pera ng pambayad, sana nasa?
Paolo, pa-proud ka ba?
Yung 6,000 nasa iyo, di ba?
Yes, ako, lagi naman po akong proud sa mga trabaho na ibibigay sa akin. Lagi akong excited, to act out different types of characters and, to add all kinds of nuances and to add all kinds of characteristics. So yes, this is a project I'm really proud of. And I'm sure lahat kami proud tayo dito sa project talaga na to. Kitang-kita naman sa reaction ng audience. So yeah, 100% proud sobra. And thank you Direk, tsaka syempre kay Miss Gina, and syempre kay Sir Leo, rest in peace po. Ayun.
Ang bongga Direk, no? Hindi siya yung first, yung original choice talaga sa role, pero siya yung the best. The best. Gusto na tayo magkunwari, pero he's the best kasi ang bongga, kung hindi si Paolo yan, hindi ganyan kaganda. maganda. Huwag na tayo magkakuna-kunwari.
Ano pong Gcash yun? Transfer nyo lang po.
Perfect talaga. Di ba, Direk? Kasi na-imagine ko yung dapat na original na hindi magiging ganyan kaganda.
I totally agree. It was really a blessing in disguise na biglang nagkaroon ng changes and one of which pinasok nila si Paolo.
Hindi Martin ko ng aktor kasi ayaw na ng girlfriend niya dahil shock sa mga eksena. Si Paolo, kumain, di ba? Si Dennis talaga, gusto mo magpaka-plastic.
Trivia lang.
What are the actor values? Ito kasi mas matalay katulad ko eh.
Hello, magandang gabi sa inyo. Hindi na ako magtatanong dahil ang ganda-ganda ng movie. Congratulations sa mga direct, of course. Congrats. So, si Miss Lovelock de Leon, as usual, laging outstanding performance. Jameson Blake, at ngayon ko lang nakita talaga si Paolo na pinaka-outstanding performance ko na ito sa lahat ng nagawa. So far, kasi walang inhibition, alam mo yun, yung todo-todo talaga, tama ka, characterization kasi ang mahalaga. So, naibigay mo yun ng todo-todo. Even lahat ng support, na Dave, lahat sila magagaling. Yung Natalie Hart, umalis na yata. Mahusay siya. Wala na, no? Umalis na. And of course, ang yung bida natin, si Miss Jennings. Iba ang name mo sa credit sa closing, naging Cariaga.
That's my mom's
Mas
last name.
bagay ang Iba ba yun? Okay. Kasi mas bagay sa iyo yung name mo ngayon, Geraldine Jennings. Alam mo, ang mga, sana maintindihan mo, Tagalog ako magsalita eh. Alam mo, ang mga producer na pinagpuproduce ang anak, usually sa showbiz, karamihan walang karapatan dahil gusto lang nila na may pera sila, gusto sila na mag-produce. Pero ikaw nagulat ako, iba ka, mahusay ka kung first movie mo man to. Outstanding performance as a newcomer, todo bigay ka rin, mga kissing-kissing, hubad-hubad. That's nice kasi artista ka eh, actress ka eh, hindi ka bold star, actress ka. As early as now, actress ka na. So, pagpatuloy mo at may karapatan ng mami mo na ipaproduce ka ng ipaproduce. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Sa ganda ng movie. Napakaganda. Thank you.
Thank you, Ronald. Ang bongga. Si Gigi kasi daw ni Dennis, Pero ang gagaling, ako talaga, umanga ako sa akin ni Leo, Ito ang totoo. Ako, times 3 ang talent P nung pumalit ko sa role. Pero ang galing naman, times 10 ang galing ni Paolo, di ba? And